Hello everyone, Mike here with Campoholics. Today I'm going to talk about the 17-inch Blackstone grill. This product is amazing. Stand by.
I'm Missy.
I'm Mike.
And we're the Campoholics.
Alright, to start off with our Blackstone grill, my wife got this carrying bag that makes it really easy to stow this thing away in the camper. Matter of fact, once we clean it up, it's so easy that we just put it in the front bedroom closet and it keeps right out of the way. So this is pretty cool. So the way I set it up, and the way this carrying bag works is like this. Here are the two primary attachments. This is your LP line. Now it does work off 1 pound LP cylinders, however, I elected not to do that. Simply because we have two 30-pound propane tanks up front. So what I did, I bought the propane extension line to go over this or connect to it, and it hooks right into my 30-pound cylinder. Alright, in my little kit I have the propane attachment, or the propane line attachment, the drip pan. The carry bag is also a cover for the top. Scooch this out of the way. And you can get this as a cover also. Pull the tension off. Take your cover off. And then you have your griddle. Now this Blackstone griddle acts as the cover when stowed away. And by the way, you want to see the burner. That's how it looks on the inside. Simply flip it over. A little leaf on there. Simply flip it over and your grill is set up, ready to go. This attaches just by hanging on the back. There's your drip pan. Take this protective cover off. Insert your gas line. Make sure it's threaded correctly so you don't mess up the threads. Get it nice and tight. Now, like I told you, you have the option to use 1 pound bottles on this, or I elected to use my 30-pound bottle. I carry 2 of them with my camper. One's not being used. It stays full, so I might as well just take it off, bring it over here, set it down, and this is my hookup for my grill. I don't have to worry about toting around 1 pound bottles or them emptying on me in the middle of cooking. So once I get my gas line hooked up, my regulator, I've attached my hose. Then I hook up my 30-pound cylinder. And bam, I'm good to go. This thing is really neat. This was an extra I bought. This came with it. Of course, the cover and so forth did not come with us. We had to buy that. Real simple to do. Turn your gas on. All right, once you have your gas on, you simply click over your starter and light your stove. Bam, it's that easy. For cleaning purposes, once we get done cooking, I'll just simply throw some ice on there, use my scraper, scrub it, empty it into the pan, and dispose of it properly. This is the 17-inch Blackstone Adventure Ready grill. Really impressed with this unit. Simple to use. I've cooked scrapple on it, bacon. Primarily we use it for breakfast because we don't want to smell up our camper, have to clean the fan out of the ceiling in the kitchen because of the grease and so forth. So this works out great. Like I said, an option to buy that, extend the gas line straight to my propane tank that'll pull right off the front of the camper instead of using 1 pound bottles. It all sets up great, works great, never had any issues, and I really love this thing. So I simply just set up a little table outside my camper, hook up the grill, and have at it for a nice breakfast morning. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe below. Ring the bell for notifications. Love this thing. Highly recommend it. This is great for couples. Just two of you. You don't need nothing big, heavy, or elaborate. This thing really does the job.